Hey guys, it's Inca 4x4. Make sure to check me out on my website, inca4x4.com, for anything overland related. In this video, we're gonna go through my Airbnb trip I host, just a little walkthrough, the Gazelle tents that I use. We're gonna go through pretty much a little quick snippet of the trip. And then bonus is going to be the Kinsman awning that my friend runs on his 2021 TRD Pro Tacoma. It's really built up. I'll link the video of his walk around. He's added more stuff. If you guys comment, I could probably get him to do a better walk around of his rig, because it's one of like the nicest built Tacomas. At the end, it's going to have just pictures of the rooftop tents I sell. Overland bags that I sell $10 per story to veterans outdoors. And yeah, just any questions you have, make sure you leave in the comments. And I'm on Instagram at Inca4x4. You can always check me out on my website, Inca4x4.com. Appreciate it. Okay, so I'm here in the North Georgia mountains and we're camping. We got a couple of rigs here, and this is my Airbnb adventure I host. These are my new friends. And they're gonna be sleeping in the Gazelle tents that I always use. And you guys excited about them?
Yes, yes.
I'm pretty excited.
Where are you guys from?
We're from Athens, Georgia. I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Sweet. So I'm glad to have you guys. We're gonna share some good food in a little bit. We're gonna sleep comfortably in the Gazelle tents, and thanks again for coming out on the adventure.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm excited.
Appreciate it. The old tuck job.
This already broke. 400. Litter off.
Damn, that thing is sweet.
Then you just walk it. I don't know if it's because it's new. This part's a little bit of a pain. You got to pop it in right here into this. Goes into there.
Oh. Yeah, probably just if it was warmer too, it'd probably.
Yeah.
Oh, but that's nice. He's got it here like this.
Oh. Yeah, then that just pops in there. There.
Oh, it's on a spring.
Is it in there?
There we go. Oh, no.
No.
Oh, so it's probably because it's new.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Oh, and then you have the little pole things here too
Yeah.
and he's got it like stitched, like double stitched here.
Let's get it to walk in that spot. It's supposed to. Still no?
No.
Damn. It's kind of a pain in the ass.
Here, maybe I.
Do that again. God, it's close.
Like,
Hey, let's both push it up down there.
yeah, that's dope. Oh, you got to be you can't be a little
Yeah, you can't be a little guy.
Peru guy.
Oh, he gives you like all these little snaps to snap on here too, I guess, to run lights. But check that out, it's all Velcro.
I'm really looking everywhere for it.
Put some patches on it if you wanted to.
So you could do your patch game there. Oh, they have. I'm guessing he's got sidewalls.
He's got maybe. He's got little snaps you snap in to make it easier to like run lights through there.
Oh.